expand the beam of light in and around you. Within the beam of light, the pillar of light, visualize, call for all devas, masters of your choice to be present with you. Now visualize a strong sunbeam. Visualize a strong sunbeam coming straight down from above and falling on the top of your head. Imagine a strong sunbeam is falling on the top of your head. Feel it warming at the top of your head. Do not let it pour instantly to feel the energy. Visualize a strong sunbeam from above falling down at the top of your head. Feel it warming the top of your head. Hold this energy at the top of your head. Do not let it fall. Visualize a strong sunbeam from above falling on the top of your head. Hold the energy at the top. Imagine the energy is warming the top of your head. You will actually feel the warmth between your hairs, your palm and feet. The energy at the top of your head gradually opens the 1000 petaled lotus, your crown chakra. Imagine the energy, the sunbeam, like a lotus flower or like a huge sunflower. First, you only see the seeds in the center. The sunbeam falls on the seeds, and gradually every seed is unfolding into a petal. And see a huge 1000 petaled lotus blossoming on your head. The flower opens to the warmth that you are experiencing now, and the central energy is being absorbed by the stem of the lotus in the middle of your crown chakra. The energy that you are absorbing is spilling and opening every petal of your crown chakra. The essence of it is still being drawn by the stem of the lotus. See, the stem of the lotus draws the sunbeam into your head, and your complete head is tingling, sparkling in light. The stem pulls the light further down. The sunbeam is still being poured above your crown. The essence is being pulled down by the stem of this lotus. It runs through your third eye to fill a reservoir, opening the two petals. Take some time. Allow these two petals to open up. See the light further running down through the stem, but at the same time, 1000 petal of your crown is open. Two petals in your third eye is open. Allow the essence to run through the stem of the lotus. 1000 petaled lotus, the stem runs down. Third eye, it becomes another small lotus. The energy runs further down to touch your throat chakra. Through the stem, it runs down. From there, feel the reservoir of energy is being stored somewhere on either side of your shoulders, near your collarbones. Allow the energy to run down through the stem till it touches the throat chakra. From there, the light runs on your left and right side, filling the reservoir tank somewhere situated near your collarbones. See this bright, radiant, sparkling light being filled as a beautiful little tank on either side of your collarbones. The light further runs down, the sunbeam further runs down from the throat chakra through the central stem to your heart chakra, opening the heart. The 16 petals in your throat chakra is opened. Now the light runs down through your heart, through the stem, opening your heart chakra. See 12 petals opened, and slowly the energy further runs down through the stem to your solar plexus. Push this sunbeam through the stem down. The energy automatically runs down through the stem to your navel chakra, the 6-petaled navel chakra. It's a beautiful 6-petaled lotus. The essence is further pulled by the stem and it pushes down to your root chakra. The energy essence is further pulled through the stem to your base chakra, the 4-petaled lotus. And there another reservoir tank is made at the tailbone of your spine. The light runs at either side of your pelvic joint. See the sunbeam running through your legs, feet, sole of the feet, under the feet. Light is still running down. From the collarbones, the reservoir you had made earlier, the light runs down through your shoulders, both your arms, elbows, wrists, and your palm. Keep your palm open. Allow the sunbeam to run through your palm. Now this sunbeam is running through the stem of the lotus. The stem is one from your crown chakra. It goes till your base chakra. Like stations, everywhere it is opening up few petals to become lotus. From the base chakra, see the stem running further down, only the stem running down. The stem is running down from under your body, the surface of earth, while you are sitting, in whatever posture. Imagine the stem running down from under your body, goes into earth, drilling its way down. The light runs down, way down, drilling itself into the heart of Earth Mother, the crystalline heart of Earth Mother. The light drills like a laser beam, and it finally goes deep into the heart of Lady Gaia, Mother Gaia. It connects with her fiery, crystalline heart. See the blending of the sunbeam with the energy of Gaia's heart. Allow the union of the two lights for some time. Allow the two lights to blend. Already Gaia's heart, the fiery crystalline energy, it's welcoming, receiving the sunbeam from you. See the sunbeam that you are pushing through the stem drills in the center of Gaia's heart. And see, as soon as it hits, blends together, imagine, see or sense an explosion of energy. Sense, feel an explosion of energy. The explosion of energy is coming up, building upwards. The energy is in multiple force. It is further coming up, running upwards through the same stem. Now sit straight as the light will enter the stem within your physical body. Allow the light to run upwards and enter the stem of your body. The energy is roaring back up. The energy is running through the stem, giving you much more warmth in your feet, exploding the reservoir of light that you carried before. A star-like, brilliant light glowing and growing, shooting upwards through the same stem, strengthening, lightening, energizing every chakra. The root chakra becomes more brilliant. The light runs upwards. Navel chakra running upwards, brightening solar plexus. Running upwards, energizing your heart. Running upwards, energizing your throat. The light is roaring upwards, roaring back upwards, energizing your third eye, further moving upwards, finally shooting out of the top of your head like an umbrella fountain. Stay calm for a minute. Allow the energy to shoot upwards like an umbrella fountain. The umbrella fountain runs the raindrops. It becomes like raindrops. The fountain light that goes down into Earth Mother, the crystalline energy with multiple force coming up in a speed, great speed as umbrella fountain, and the energy like sun drops rolling down. Every drop of this precious light is falling into your aura. Imagine the light, the umbrella fountain, to shoot open at least 2 feet above your head. So much of pressure that comes from Earth Mother, Gaia's heart, that the light runs up from your head, at least 2 feet above your head, opens, and the light shower falls like raindrops into your aura. The drops enter, soak your complete aura, so much of grand, brilliant light. Drop by drop, it falls like heavy rains, soaking your aura into this brilliant golden light, the sunbeam's color. Allow your complete aura to soak this light. Slowly the light runs under your feet also, sealing your aura as a beautiful golden oval bubble, making it complete and sealed against all harm. Imagine your aura to absorb this brilliant light, and the light runs under your feet also to seal your aura with this magnificent light, to make it in the shape of an egg or an elongated oval. A force field bubble of light for your protection. This bubble of light shields you. Some light goes up, further going up from the umbrella. Some light shoots upwards from wherever the original light came. It goes there. Some light escapes and shoots upwards from wherever the first sunbeam light came to you. The light goes up to the center, fed and charged by the light, flowing up and down, soaking your being. Some light escapes up, some light falls around your aura, finally sealing your aura. Mentally increase your brilliance of light in your mind. Increase the brilliance of light. See that your body, your aura, your chakras and the stem is brilliantly shining in light. Expand the aura. Trigger the light as the light is still falling down drop by drop, and some light is still moving upwards. Increase the brilliance of light. Feel it to be bigger and brighter, to fill the whole oval complete aura. Hold this thought in your mind for a few seconds, as if you are covered in the egg of light, and the egg of light is sealed in the eternal thread of light. The sunbeam going down, breaking open the heart of Gaia, the light coming upwards, falling as huge fountain umbrella. The light is with so much of forceful light, falling down, soaking your aura, and your aura is sealed in the egg of light. The egg of light is made up of the eternal thread of light. See shimmering thread of light running up and down, left and right, surrounding you, as if some divine being is weaving through multiple golden silken threads to seal you in this golden egg. Imagine yourself to be as an egg of light on an eternal thread of light, with light coming from the Creator to earth and back again from earth through you, going upwards and all around you. Hold this mental image properly. I'm repeating. Imagine yourself to be in the egg of light. You're sealed in the eternal thread of light. With the light that comes from the Creator, goes deep down into earth and back again with multiple force, through you, above you, around you. To arrest this picture within you, lock this image in your mind. For this, Some people snap their fingers cross just to imagine or arrest this thought in the mind. You can do whichever way you feel like. Allow this image to be fixed in your mind. Imagine yourself to be grounded very well. Feel complete absence of negative thought, limiting thought, or any fearful thought. Feel a deep sense of relaxation and complete sense of well-being. Feel the tingling of your soles and fingertips. Sensation of being light. Stay connected with this energy. Arrest this thought of yours as you are, a golden egg weaved by eternal golden thread. The light, the sunbeam forcing itself on you from your Creator, going into earth, coming backwards, pushing itself up, going upwards, falling on either side around you. Think how good it feels. You're supported by this light. Hold this mental image carefully before you start breathing in and out. Now listen carefully to your breath. Listen carefully to your breath, only your breath. Your mind has to be free of worries, fear, limiting thoughts. A deep sense of relaxation and peace. Now listen carefully to your breath. Sit straight and concentrate in your breathing. Just listen to your breath. Ask the light while you are concentrating in your breath. Imagine that you are going to breathe the light that is sealed in your aura in the golden egg. You are going to breathe this golden thread or golden light through your nostrils. Before that, feel the light and ask the light if it loves you unconditionally. Before breathing in the light, ask the light whether it loves you unconditionally. The great source love is limitless, and the sunbeam has come from this limitless God. Radiant light will immediately answer you, yes, I love you unconditionally. Now breathe. Breathe in. While you're breathing in, imagine golden energy running through your nostril. Couple of breaths, just imagine the golden energy running through your nostril, coming out of your head. Just keep speaking to the light, anything you feel like, and breathe in and push the energy out. The answer of the divine will fill you with love and joy. Take deep breath. Your nostrils are filled with golden light. Imagine the golden light running through your nose, entering the nostrils, filling your lungs. From there, through every cell in your body, every cell carries this light. Every drop of blood is filled with this light, and you breathe out through your head. Let the light that you breathe out be of any color. Maybe it is pure golden or it is nothing. For few breaths, only visualize breathing in. If you still find it difficult, you can visualize you're breathing in thin golden thread of light, as if you're breathing in very thin light thread of light through your nose. Keep doing this exercise for some time. Breathe out long and slow, imagining the light coming down from above while you breathe out. Feeling your breath as laser beam drilling deep into earth. Imagine just like that, breathing in the light, breathing out. Maintain a little pause between every in-breath and out-breath. Practice this for a minute or so. Feel the explosion of light into every cell in response to your love. A deep in-breath, energy from above into you, strengthening you, and a deep out-breath, slow out-breath, pushing the light out now. Slowly imagine the same golden light pushing out of your crown. Breathe in through your nostril the golden light. Slow out breath, push the light out from your crown. You have to sit straight to do this. Do a couple of in-breaths and out-breaths to remember the out-breath to be golden energy. The thread of light, breathing in, the thread of light, breathing out. Do it yourself at least 5-6 times. Focus your attention in your breath as much as possible. Now slowly bring your attention to your breath, once again to your nose. Visualize the golden thread as you breathe in goes through your nose. Instead of entering your lungs, the golden light runs through the stem that you were bringing in the sunbeam before. It enters the stem, runs through the stem, slow in breath, and touches in the reservoir of the tailbone. A tiny piece of bone. Within that bone, a small sacred triangular energy is stored. I'm repeating again. Breathe in the golden light, the eternal golden thread, through your nose. It goes up through your nostril. From there it enters your stem, the central stem, runs down to the tailbone. Within the tailbone, see this light entering the little triangle. Before you push the breath out, practice to breathe in. Breathe in. Bring the light to the triangle at the base of your spine. Allow this light to touch and awaken the dormant serpent Kundalini. Allow this energy to touch the dormant snake, the power of Kundalini. After few breaths, now slowly, while you breathe out, While you're going to breathe out, imagine a little box triangle is opened and the serpent coiled as a small spring is opening and slowly coming out. While every breath you breathe out through your head, you're pulling as if through a string, you're pulling this little spring upwards. Do it carefully. Breathe in. Let the breath touch the base of the spine. Pause. Breathe out. Allow it to pull the string slowly through the stem as long as you can pull it. Gradually pull the spring up. Do not rush it. Breathe in. Pull the energy into the triangular shaped bone. Take some rest. Pause. Push it out. While you push it out, imagine the spring to uncoil, open. As the energy is pulling it up, see it gradually opening up to 1 centimeter. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathing out is very important. Be careful. Breathe out slowly, steadily, strongly, so that it can be pulled up. The coil can be pulled upwards with the force. Imagine it to be little further going up to about an inch. If you feel uncomfortable, you can stop this. Otherwise, continue this breath in and out. Breathe out carefully. This time see it to be about 2-3 centimeters. The coiled energy is uncoiling itself within the stem. Imagine as if the mercury is rising up in the thermometer. Breathe in through your nostril. Slowly allow the light to touch the dormant energy. Take a pause, take a break, push out through the out breath, pulling this golden coil upwards, and the energy escapes through the crown chakra. The golden spring is grown much taller now. The golden snake, the serpentine energy is growing further to 6-7 inches. Now keep doing it yourself till about at least 15 breaths to allow the energy to touch till your throat, or till you feel a lump being created in your throat. All through this exercise, keep your spine straight. At least 15 breaths, or till you feel energy circulating in your throat. After your out breath also, take a little pause before you breathe in. Continue your breath like this if you have reached your throat. If you have not felt a lump in your throat, if you practice this every day, you will feel the energy rising up and very soon you will feel a lump of energy in your throat the minute you start breathing in and out. It's very difficult, extremely difficult to pull the serpentine energy. Now continue your breath like this. Pull the energy. If you can't pull, just imagine the coiled energy running further up through the stem. You will feel the heat, the warmth in your feet, palm, all over your body. To the breath once again, keep doing it till you push it out, till you can imagine, at least imagine, the golden coiled energy is escaping out of the same stem, center of your crown chakra. See this golden snake finally escaping. Breathe in, breathe out, do it yourself. Allow this spring like coiled force, the serpentine energy, the power of Kundalini, to sit magnificently, gloriously on the top of the lotus. Visualize it further for a minute. Visualize, imagine this energy stored in your crown chakra. Communicate to your crown chakra to hold this mother energy into the sacred seeds of the lotus. Keep it safe, protected. See this coiled force is as if it is within the shield. Communicate to your crown chakra to keep this coiled serpentine energy protected and safe within its seeds, the seeds of the lotus, so that you are complete divine form in physicality. You are aware of all wisdom, aware of every premonition that is good for you and for others. The wisdom of Kundalini, the mystic wisdom sitting on the top of your head, covered, protected within the seeds of the lotus of your crown chakra. Imagine this energy to be in hiding within the seeds. Now come to your normal breath. You are still within the golden egg, breathing the thread of light. Give your gratitude to the sunbeam that has come down from the heart of Father, from the heart of Mother. Give your love, gratitude to the sunbeam that has come from the heart of